Oh, everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, even though Christmas is already gone, I want to take the time out to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, which is 2025. May God bless you and keep you throughout that year. Okay, so today we're going to react to a Dimash performance. It's a concert that held in China. This concert is called JAMAICAN's 2025 New Year's concert of Sichuan. I saw that there is a woman next to him. I guess this is the performance that him and this woman will do together. So, without any more time wasting, let's dive in. Let's see what's up. Peace.
在彼此陌生的空间穿行，你在演我，我在看你，
就像一部难忘的电影，眼里的感动已经击中心灵，
在梦幻中推开另一扇门，你想象我，我创造你，
就像一部绚丽的
Dimash is the best in this entire world. Damn. Damn. What a fascination, bro. What a fascination.
童话，无期而离，过特别样轻松，让时间沉淀出荣耀光影。你在追我在等你，每天都在记录瞬间永恒生命中。
I ain't gonna lie. Dimash voice is bewitching. Very, very good. Is a magical gem. It doesn't matter who is he having a duet with. He's always dominating. He's always making such great impact.
光一起超越梦境，在变化中倾诉认真澄清，你带着我，我陪着你，
就像有过落幕。
Amazing. Amazing. At this point, I gotta say, he's very unique. His style is very unique. His voice is a falsetto. Very amazing one too.
我的聚集在阴的寒冰，也有温暖交融。也是天地星空一般我心去，这故事如果不同的场景，转动的地球，你我都。
I ain't gonna lie. Dimash's voice is like the sun. We can't live without it. And this is the reason why I have to come back and listen to it, because it's like I'm losing out something. It's like my life is not living. My life is like a living misery without Dimash's voice. 1 in a billion.
光阴的世界，有你有我何不同行？
爱的光阴，悄然地温柔掉在心。
Oh, wow. Wow. Back up, back up, back up. Anywhere this man goes, he's always making sure that the fans enjoy his music. The fans always feeds on his music. Trust me.
日月天地星光映满我心，循着故事路过不同的场景，转动的地球，我都是主角，美好的结局，呼唤彼此的心。美好的结局，呼唤彼此。
Definitely the king. Definitely the king. Wow. This is unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable. Each day I listen to Dimash, it's always making me feel alive. Like he's just doing this with just a little effort, bro. Practically the best could ever do this. Like there is no one that he can make any form of comparison with. The best in the world, bro.
此的心。天地星光映满我心，循着故事路过不同的场景，就茫然地我都是主角，就茫然世界，爱是单纯，爱就是单
Damn, bro. No, no, that's not actually real, bro. That's AI. That's some AI type shit going on there. That's not actually real. There's no way Dimash does that a while ago. No way. No freaking way. That's AI, bro. That's definitely AI. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Bro, I gotta say, very good one, Dimash. Very good one. And his dress code. Neat, beautiful, astonishing. Very well dressed. Very well dressed. Professionalism is that Dimash is best at this point. So if you guys enjoyed this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next Dimash reaction. Peace.